Okay, I'm just going to do a quick overview of Ortega real quick. This is not a full tutorial. But with Ortega method, we just solve one face, not necessarily a layer, then the opposite face. So since this is for beginners, I'm still going to solve white as the bottom face, then yellow, but that's not necessary. I could choose any color. So for example, this white face is solved, but not necessarily the whole layer. Now I just need to solve my yellow face. You do that as you would a standard method for 2x2 and 3x3. So I've got my white face solved, my yellow face solved, and now there's only 5 possible cases. And what we do is we look for horizontal bars. So for example, that's a bar, no other bars. So this is 2 bars. So we'll go ahead and solve this, and then I'll go through every case. So this is the algorithm to solve this. All right, now let's go through each of them. This is 0 horizontal bars right here. As you can see, there's none. So the way you solve that is pretty easy and intuitive, and if you've played with the cube, you already know that. That's 0 bars. The next one is 1 bar. Okay, so if I look, there's only 1 horizontal bar. Now don't get confused and look for vertical bars. Just make sure it's horizontal. So you have to keep your one solid face on the bottom, one on the top. I'm looking for horizontal bars. So this is 1 bar, and here's the algorithm for that. Okay, now let's do 2 bars. All right, so if I look around, there's only 2 horizontal bars. It doesn't matter vertical bars, those don't count. It's horizontal. All right, and I can solve this particular one with white on top, yellow. It doesn't matter because I've just got 2 bars. And then the way I solve that is like this. Okay, so now we're gonna do 4 bars, which that's just a standard case because we have a solved bottom layer. Okay, and we just need to solve our corners up here. So this is the method that I teach in my tutorials, and this is just a combination. That's just a combination of Chameleon's ugly brother and Chameleon. Okay, so now 5 bars, which again is just a standard case because we have a solved layer and you know what effectively looks like 2 solved corners. It's really just 1, and we have to fix 3, but we think of it as 2. And the way we solve that, the way I teach to solve that in my tutorials is this way. So again, that's just a quick overview. I'll do a full tutorial later, but again, it's only 5 possible cases once you get the faces solved. And just to reiterate, you don't keep white on the bottom and yellow on top. You look at your bars, and for example, if there's only 1 bar, I have to hold it like this with this bar on top, and then do that algorithm. So again, I'll make a full tutorial on that. I just wanted something quick.